Hello guys, welcome to the latest video. Today I'll be talking about one more tip associated with Gmail, and this time it's about creating infinite number of email addresses using one single email ID. I'm sure you're sick and tired of creating multiple email addresses to sign up for your Amazon, streaming services, social platforms, testing and tools, etc. So the quick tip is simply by adding a plus sign and any name that you want to add up to be a part of your email address by using one single email address. I'll tell you how. Simply go onto your Gmail settings, and right here you see your email address. This is your primary email ID. Most of you will think that this is the only email address that you have and you cannot do anything other than creating multiple ones. This is your local name. This is the domain that is part of it. Now what I'll do is I went to next.com, simply added tech.mo, my original one, plus social at Gmail to be used for all social IDs. And yes, I'm pretty old. Click on next. It will send me a verification code. Let's see if I received it or not. And here it is. I have received the verification code which means that it is working, right? At the same time, you can send multiple email addresses and sign them up just to make sure that you are making most of it. Now, this does not really apply to your particular email ID on gmail.com. It could also go for your work emails as well, right? So for example, if you got an email ID that says kim@factoryx.com, you can simply go forward and sign up by saying kim plus abc or kim plus product tools at factoryx.com and go forward creating and subscribing to them. Now this will not separate your email ID or your inboxes, and this is definitely not like mail merge, outlook, multiple email inboxes, etc., right? This is all associated with a single entry right here and your single inbox, so you don't have to subscribe to multiple things. The only advantage is you can apply filters, whatever you have to, and make sure that your inbox or your primary email ID remains clean. Also, there's one more tip. If you think that adding a dot or a period to your email ID is something that is a unifying or is a unique aspect of your email address, it's not. So I can write tech.dad.mo at Gmail. It will be same as tech.dadmo at gmail.com. So if you like this, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, share it, spread the word out. If you already knew it, please let me know if there are any other. Oh, sorry, I just messed it up. If you already knew it, thank you so much. But do share it. Thanks a lot. Take good care and don't forget to give a thumbs up.